How to change iPad country settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you have ever wondered how to change the country settings on your iPad, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Go to the settings first and then go to general, then scroll down, tap on language and region, and then you can go ahead and tap on region and then find the region that you want to change into and just tap on it and the region will be changed. So it will also ask you if you want to change the language. You can just select it from there, or you can even go to preferred language and then go to add language and then choose the language of your choice. Now another thing what you can do is come back, then go to date and time, and you can toggle off the set automatically, and then you can switch to the different countries time and just choose your desired time zone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.